Hey, ladies, and I guess there might be a couple gentlemen watching. I don't know, a couple of you guys. It's Saturday night. Saturday night box breaks once again. We're gonna break some 16 certified, some 16 Donruss, and some 16 unparalleled. And give me 1 second here, and I shall be right back. And then we will get into this and randomize them off.
All right. Jeff's on his way back here. We're going to get everything rolling for you.
All right. Yes, we are going to get this rolling. Just had to get our last two breakers in there. Sorry about that. So, now that we got them, we will, what do you guys want to do first? You want to do Donruss first?
Yeah, let's do Donruss. That's the packs there. That's got all the packs. These other ones are going to be.
Yeah, we'll do Donruss first. And Jay, welcome, Jay.
JW from Instagram.
Yeah, hopefully we can pull you something awesome tonight now that you're in the breaks with us. So let's see if we can pull you something great. Let's get everybody here over in the randomizer. Okay, we got John T is the last one. Jeff K is the first one. And that's going to be our 32. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There we go. We got 32.
And those of you watching on Facebook Live, we will get the random list put in there as soon as the video's done. It won't let us put it in there during the video. So we'll put it in there. We'll post it in the thread so you'll see. Otherwise, this will be on the YouTube channel as well.
Yes,
shortly after.
We will post this to YouTube as soon as they're done. Okay, so random as usual, 3 times. After 1, we got Barry C is on the top and Jack C is on the bottom. After 2, we got Jack C on top and Craig T on the bottom. And after 3, we have Fred H on top and JW is on the bottom. Let's copy these over. Why is that not pasted in there? Let's undo. I want to undo this.
Here, I'll try this real quick. If you got this cell. Is it in there?
They're all in one cell now.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how you undo it right there. Now, right click. All right. Is that how you want it?
Yep.
All right.
They're all in there now.
All right. Excellent.
Okay. Everybody's in there. That's who you've got. Hope you like your teams. See if we can get you something good.
Click over here to do that. What you're looking for.
I just didn't want everybody to be blue. It's gonna bug the crap out of me.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Let's see if we can get everybody something good here. We are looking for an autograph and a memorabilia out of this, or we could get a hot box and get more than 2 hits. That's our trash.
Oh,
here's one here. That'll work.
All right.
So we've got our empty box. And we'll get this bad boy started.
You want me to bust any more?
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got ourselves Eddie Lacy, Demarius Thomas, David Harris, Kevin Green, Patrick Peterson, Mark Ingram, Robert Woods, the Sheriff, Peyton Manning. I think I see him in every box. All Pros, Gronk, and Ricardo Lewis, rated rookie.
Matthews. Jimmy Graham. Golden Tate. Montana. Robert Quinn. Clowney. Palmer. Top targets, Marvin Harrison. And Elite Series, Will Fuller, numbered to 999, rookie card for the Texans.
Yeah, we got our man John T's going to come back and sort for us. We got a full staff tonight. Nice. I like full staffs.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops.
Oh,
Jihad Ward. His name is Jihad. We got Everson Griffin, Alshon Jeffrey, Travis Kelce, Dan Marino, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Melvin Ingram, Earl Campbell. Guy's got more cards now than when he actually played.
Yeah.
Julius Thomas, top targets. Devontae Freeman, Elite Series, at numbered out of 999. And Jaron Reed, rookie for the Seahawks.
Oh. James Harrison, Fletcher Cox, Randall Cobb, Kamar Aiken, Darrell Reeves, Chandler Jones, Willie Snead. Got a DeMarco Murray Gridiron Kings in his Tennessee Titans garb. Jay Cutler Gridiron Kings. And for those of you watching live, Gary's getting ready to post it into your random list into the thread, so take a look for it there.
Victor Cruz, Lawrence Timmons, Stephon Diggs, Devin Funchess, Sebastian Janikowski, Delaney Walker, Alan Hearns, Carson Palmer, production line, Darryl Green, Gridiron Kings, and Austin Hooper, rated rookie.
Hoopa. There's
Austin
Super Bowl
Hooper.
MVP Von Miller,
Oops, sorry, man.
Fran Tarkington, Adam Jones, Dorsett, Gilmore, Winston, Cecil Shorts, Legends of the Fall, Michael Irvin, Doug Martin All-Pro, and a Jake Rudock rookie card.
Yeah, Lions quarterback.
Lions, yeah.
We got a tight end from the best team in the NFL,
The
Brent
Packers.
Selleck.
That Packers fault.
I think
5
that-
interceptions on that. What was it? 5 interceptions on Landry Jones from the Steelers Thursday night. James Starks. Defense looks pretty good. Steve Smith Sr. He went back to a 4-3. Muhammad Wilkerson, Andy Dalton, Brandon Cooks, Brett Favre inducted. Levante David, Joe Montana, Gridiron Kings. Oh, there's another Fred H there.
Okay,
How did that not get copied over all the way?
I don't know. Getting the random list figured out here.
Yeah,
They're both in there. Scroll down. Yeah, just repaste. Copy all that. 1 second. Hit enter. All right, there's it. All right, here. Come up. Scroll up.
Yeah.
Here, we need to copy that and put him down on the Vikings. That's gonna mess the whole order up. So back it up. Just backspace it. Or bring that back up where you had it. Okay, now go ahead and copy this. We're gonna copy him out that way.
This list is right here, 1 through 32. So if you
But
just
the one you already put here and the one he posted. See what I mean? If you put him down, it's gonna move everybody down. So what we need to do is bring him down and put him on Minnesota, right?
no, JW is number 32.
Oh, he was
the
on it.
randomizer
Okay,
list.
I gotcha. But he was already Tennessee when we started the break.
I know, but this is the randomizer list right here.
Here, I'll just delete it.
Okay.
Yeah, this right here
Alright,
is the
yeah.
1 through 32.
Okay, we got it. We got
So
it.
I'll just delete that,
So
right?
put him back. Put him back.
Just- Delete that whole list.
Delete it. Okay, I got you.
Yeah. And paste this list.
All right.
I don't know how that got backed up on there. The list was
Good.
was in order the
There we
whole
go.
time. Yeah.
There we go.
The list was in order the whole time, but that Fred H one just no.
Okay.
I don't. Oh yeah. I did do those ones.
Okay. I'll go through this. Now we're back. Good to go. Odell Beckham.
Okay, so I can read through the picture then, guys?
Yep. Go ahead and
So
retake
if you
that.
would have got that, that would have.
That doesn't line up with teams, though.
Okay, see.
Okay, thank you.
Jonathan
They still
Cyprian.
see the number on that though.
Sheriff Peyton Manning.
Shit.
Brian Arakpo, number to 50. Press proof. Let's take a look at that number right there. And Alex Collins, rated rookie. All right. Now we're back to business.
We got Dan Bailey, Jarek McKinnon, Greg Olson, Malcolm Smith, Julius Thomas, Melvin Gordon, Skylar Austin, fans of the game, and it's a Jets card. JETS, Jets. JJ Watt, production line. Antonio Brown, Julio Jones, league leaders. And Noah Spence, rookie.
And Noah Spencer. It's cool.
Russell
It's red
Wilson.
on red.
Terrence Williams. Richard Rogers. Frank Gore.
Alright, what are we doing?
Amir Abdullah.
Top team?
Tevin Coleman.
Top team or left team?
Kenny Vaccaro.
Okay.
There's left and right.
Gronkowski Dominator. Eric Murray. And a Jeremy Langford press proof. Numbered to 75. See the numbering very well on that. Yeah, there you are. Yep. All right.
Cam Newton, Steve Grogan, Antonio Brown, Icky Woods, Sean Drone, Joe Thomas, Juan Alexander, Peyton Manning the Sheriff, Julio Jones, All Pros, and DeAndre Washington, rated rookie.
Emmanuel Sanders. Harrison Smith. Kevin White. DeQuell Jackson. Drew Brees. Charles Clay. Tomlinson. Touchdowns production line Tyler Eifert. Charles Haley. And a DeMarcus Robinson rated rookie.
Dominic Rogers Cromartie, Terry Bradshaw, Nick Mangold, Luke Kuechly, Brock Osweiler, Dorial Green Beckham. I'm throwing cards. Paul Posluszny, Ray Lewis, Legends of the Fall, Joe Flacco, press proof, numbered out of 100. And Kevin Dodd, rookie.
No hits yet?
No hits.
Wow. McFadden, Peyton Manning,
I like these
Bo
cards, but
Jackson.
I don't like them on the box.
Matthew Stafford, Ahmed Brooks, Vonta Freeman, Kobe Fleener in the Saints uniform, Gridiron Kings, Adrian Peterson, Deion Jones, and Cody Kessler rated rookie.
Got Olivier Vernon, Cameron Hayward, Zach Ertz, Marcus Peters, Justin Forsett, Rashard Matthews, starting wide receiver in Tennessee, Denard Robinson, Laquan Treadwell, the rookies, numbered out of 999. League leaders Cam Newton and Tyrod Taylor. That will go out to the Carolina Panthers. And a Carl Joseph rookie.
All right, got our first hit in this one here.
I've got a couple, but I'd like
Going
some
to
more.
Doug H, Tennessee. There's a Ray Lewis Legend Series, numbered to 999. Clark, Darren Sproles, Keep to Lead, Derek Johnson,
Poke your eye out.
Bortles, Michael Floyd, Mario Williams, and for the Tennessee Titans, Marcus Mariota, Jersey Kings.
Cool.
Going
Doug
out
H.
to Doug H. It's a good hit, Doug.
Nice card, Doug.
Nice.
And then Doug H. Going to get another Marcus Mariota. Malcolm Butler. Marvin Jones. Torrey Smith. Matt Ryan. Isaiah Crowell. Warren Sapp. Legends of the Fall, Kurt Warner. Andre Reed, throwback.
One at a time. Or
And Glenn Gronkowski.
Oh, man. Oh, boy.
Nice one.
Doug H. Wow.
Nice,
Awesome.
dude.
Look, right there.
Yeah. Nice.
All right, Doug H. Wow, this is awesome. I'm glad we got to pull this one.
Yep.
All right, yeah, the Eli Manning. I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't even care about any of these other ones here. It seems
He's
like
shaking.
Roman. Yeah, this is crazy. It's my first ever pull like this.
Wait till you see it.
Corey Ness and Derek Domeyer. I
Yep.
hope you guys are still watching. This is a sick hit here, right here. We got a Jared Goff 1/1 auto.
Woo!
Nice
Insane.
card.
Boom!
Doug H.
Nice card.
I bet you're glad you bought into this, Doug. That is
Yeah.
insane. That's
Very,
we're
very
gonna
nice.
go ahead and set that.
Hey, I'll get a case right now. Or
Yeah.
We'll put that in a mag for you, Doug.
Yeah.
Very nice. That'll,
Great hit.
We'll put that in a one touch. Very, very nice.
That was sick. That was beautiful. Holy cow. Man, this is great.
Didn't I say I felt it coming tonight?
Yeah,
The big
yeah,
hit.
you
I
did.
posted the big hit was coming tonight. I felt it.
It should have been you to
Oh,
open
that's
that,
all
but-
right. I just felt it coming. Marcus Wheaton, Jordan Matthews, Eric Berry, Eric Weddle, Eric Decker, TJ Yeldon, Tyrann Mathieu, Allen Robinson, touchdowns, Tyler Lockett, production line numbered out of 379, and Joey Bosa rated rookie. That is a very nice hit. Best card we've pulled in quite some time. I felt it tonight, everybody.
Yeah.
I felt it.
He called it.
I posted it. I felt it. I knew it was coming. I just had that feeling.
I'm
Yeah,
glad.
How do you like that, Donruss? 2 1-of-1s in a week.
Yeah.
I felt it.
I honestly, that Donruss.
Go on and look at my
is really
post.
good.
I quoted Phil Collins.
Hey, Emmett Smith.
Posted, I can feel it coming in
Flacco.
the air tonight.
Buck
There you
Allen.
go, Doug.
There you go, Doug. Already in a mag for you. Nice and snug. Excellent. Buck Allen. Brad
Boom
Pitt.
shakalaka.
Yeah.
Huh?
That was insane.
I gotta see that beauty. Another one of one.
You're
That's
not
like
allowed to touch
That's
it.
like
Two and
that's
a
like
week
a,
out of that stuff.
no, that's
Let me
like
touch
a
it.
that's like a dozen of them this week.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's a
All
nice
right.
card.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Aaron Rodgers, C.J. Anderson,
Hey, did you get a picture of that, John?
Anthony
I'm gonna
Barr,
put that in the thread.
Carlos Hyde, Jeremy Macklin,
Keep pulling good ones, guys.
Cameron Wake, Sammy Watkins Dominator, Elite Series Miles Jack, and Sheldon Rankins rookie.
I don't have a day job, Barry.
I'm gonna have to take it 9 years here. That 101 messed me all up, dude.
You'll be
Cutler.
all right.
Oh, wow.
Romo?
Matter of opinion.
Jenkins? I'm not. Miles Jack,
Did we
number
just
to
pull one of
999.
Yeah, there's a little bit of copy in it.
No, like the rookies.
Oh,
Didn't I just give you one?
There's 12 numbered cards in there at least.
You like it,
Oh,
Barry.
that's great.
You like it. Jeremy Langford, Rashad Jennings, Rashad Breeland, Matt Forte,
I dare say that if
Steve Johnson.
that Jared Goff would have went to Barry C, he wouldn't have had any problem with your singing.
I don't think so.
That's just my wild guess.
I think he
That
would have
would've
been
went to
very
me.
happy.
He'd still be getting me up off the floor, man. He and Mass would be here. And
Von Bell Press Proof, 11 of 50, and a Hunter Henry.
Okay, last pack. Jermaine Kearse, Alfred Morris, Charkandrick West, John Riggins,
We might as well just say junk.
Yeah. Filler, Rivers.
it's kind of hard to outdo the last one, unless it was a Wentz or a Elliott.
CJ Proceeds.
All right, everybody. We're going to bag those up for you real quick, and then we'll come back and get into box number 2.
Yep, I'll go ahead and launch a new live one as soon as we get in there. Here you go, sir.